Hey guys, so today we have our headlights that just came in. So I haven't even opened these. I literally just opened up the box like this, but I figured it'd be better if I did an unboxing for you guys and in front of you. So I'm gonna go ahead, open these up, see how they look. So first, we just got the Spyder little pamphlet here. Some packaging here. Here's that first headlight. Wow, that is actually killer. I'm gonna take that out of the box to show you guys. Oh, and that is what we look like. So there's a headlight. This looks actually crazy, but yeah, it's gonna be a quick little install. I mean, there's not much, look, it's just a plug. And then probably another one right here. Just on the back side, I'll peel this up. But other than that, it looks pretty straightforward. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the other one out now. And there is the other one. All right, and this is what they look like side by side. Oh, got a little, Richie got a new friend to show you. This is Chico. Richie, I haven't seen Oliver in a little while, so might as well bring Oliver back out too. Oliver, where are you, mister? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Look at you. Oliver's pretty big now. We got this little guy here. Not so little. He's mixed with a pug and American bulldog, and then Oliver is our Frenchie Boston Terrier, so a Frenchton. But yeah, you guys haven't seen him in a while, so that'd be nice to bring him back on. But now that we've seen these, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick install. Alright, so this is actually a really simple install. So I'm just gonna put the battery here, but what we have is one bolt here. We got a bolt just behind here. And we have one bolt, you can kind of see it if I pull it back, right here. Kind of hard to see it, but there's one here, one right here, and one there. There's only 3 on each side. And then yeah, just unplug some lights and we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop one off, and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright, and here's one side versus the old. Looks honestly stellar. But yeah, it was super easy. Again, it was 3 plugs and 3 screws. Simple as that. You do retain your old, like this guy here, your orange light. But everything else is comes from them. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me take this one off, do this one, close it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, and just like that, we are on. So I'm gonna plug the battery in, test them out, make sure they all work, and then from there I am going to bolt them back up because they're not bolted in right now, just in case something doesn't work and I gotta take them out again. But I'm gonna plug the battery in and we'll test them out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the battery back on here quick. Looked like these lights came on, but Frank is we're actually gonna pull this up into the shade a little bit, and then we'll get a better idea of how they work. So we got me, we got Brank, and we got the car. So just unlock it here. It's a quick look. Frank's gonna turn it on. We're gonna see what it looks like. So hard to see it right now because obviously no lights on, but that's the whole purpose because we want to get as good of a look at this as we can. Here's a quick look at the one here. So here is what it looks like this. I'll get up nice and close so you can see. That's what we look like there from the side. And then here's our high beams. This is what they look like. This is crazy lit up. We got our high beams on here. signal. The signal just has this top bar. Go. And the other way. And our other way works too. So we're looking pretty good. Everything seems to be working. One more look at it. Here we go. So, looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Next video should be either another Civic video or maybe an off-road video to test out these Renegades, or maybe just like a Renegade RT Plus review. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and keep following along.